Welcome to the unboxing of the room at Meredien in Shanghai. Okay, you have a safe. Opens up, the door opens up directly to the bathroom. Nice bathroom, marbled, with a separate shower and a nice huge bathtub. And this is the wash basin with the vanity mirror. Nice big mirror leads you to the bedroom. Quite a huge bedroom. With a flat screen TV and a marble chair. Okay, let's see the, oh, sorry. Nice couch. And let's see the view from outside. Okay, yeah, I think we are just next to the mall. And the mall should be busy in the morning. Okay. That's it. This is a room on the third floor of the Meredien in Shanghai, China. Bye-bye.